Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I am going to, as I said in the last video, I'm going to be giving away this Festival of Light stamping starting kit. This is going to be US only. I said in my last video I was going to be giving away. I got the kit, it came, so this is a Festival of Lights. This is going to be a time sensitive giveaway. So what that means, I'm going to show it to you first. Here is what is in the box. This adorable plate. It is a Chinese New Year plate, and it is the year of the rat, not the dragon. And there are dragons here. Those are cute. Zoom in a little more maybe. I know it's hard to see with the plastic, but I'm not going to take that blue film off since I'm giving this away. But it's got some cute images on it, and these fans are really pretty. And even if you don't like rats, it's still got some other things on there. Happy New Year. Are they eating popcorn? Oh, that's so cute. So all the little rats are doing something different. Some cookies and little Chinese food bowls. That's really pretty too. So there's, oh, I love the lanterns. There's a lot of different things on this plate besides just rats. So. And it also comes with the scraper and ice cube stamper, the red polish and the gold polish. And I don't even have this red hot red polish. I do have It's Lit, and it's a great gold stamping polish. So I'm not gonna, of course, I'm not going to swatch these because this is not my plate. I don't have this plate. But time sensitive, so it's only for US. I'm sorry. You guys know I do allow international as much as possible, but I just can't right now. So you guys use my code Guylene325. As you know, I earn a commission for that, and I use the money that I make from my commission and I buy things to give away. Maniology does not send me anything for free. I have to purchase everything I buy from Maniology, including the monthly subscription box. So I did purchase this to give away, and I have already written a number on the inside of this box. So it is a number between 1 and 50. So if you guess the number in the comments down below, go ahead and put what your guess is, and you will be entered in the giveaway. Whoever guesses the number first is the one that's going to win. So that's how I'm doing this. I decided to make it time sensitive because Chinese New Year is what, the 23rd, 25th, something like that. So I want to make sure you get this before the actual Chinese New Year. If I ever get my freaking Jeep back. I went to pick it up and we drove it like 2 miles and it's not right. So we took it to another mechanic. $1,800, no, it ended up only costing $1,500, but now we're gonna have to spend another $400 to get what's wrong fixed. All right, so I do have some other things to show you if you want to stick around here. And this I received. It is the admin plate 01. I got this a couple months ago along with my pins for being an ambassador. I met the other golds a long time ago, and they send a big box with all kinds of stuff. So for every level that I met with the ambassadors, for you guys using my code, they gave me prizes. Well, I gave away everything I got, pretty much. I mean, I don't think I kept the apron. That's about all I kept. So these, I didn't get pins at the time. I don't guess they were giving them away, but I hit gold. So I got the gold pin, and they went ahead and sent me the other 3 pins. So I think there was one more, but I didn't get that one. Anyway, I really appreciated that because I was butthurt over everybody else getting pins and I didn't get any. So I'm glad I got the pins. And then I also got this plate. So this is, I guess, only for ambassadors, and it's cute. I haven't used it yet. I got this stuff a couple months ago. Keep calm and stamp on. And make nail contact first. And it has Maniology in a little bottle. You can see what's on here. So some cute stuff. So there's that. I haven't used it yet. And then I wanted to show you that this is a new plate that they've got, and it is a birthday celebration. It's super cool. I wish that I had it last week though, whenever I had somebody come and get their nails done that it was their birthday and they wanted happy birthday. And I do have birthday plates, but I just didn't. Anyway, I like this one. It's got balloons and little celebration things you can see. A bottle of champagne and glasses. Birthday babe. Candles. Little cakes, and so really cute plate, and it is available. These two plates, I do not know who all, I think on the website it says who all submitted images. This was a contest Maniology put out, and I actually drew out an image that I was going to submit, and then I tossed it. You guys probably don't know, but I've been burnt a couple of times with contests, and I do not like competition. It pits us against each other, and I decided I wasn't going to do it. You have to, like, you know, rally for votes for your image. There was another contest I entered. It was supposed to get $500 cash, the winner, and then they didn't give it away. She didn't have the money to give away, and it was just a whole thing. And then there was another, okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, I got burnt in contests before, and I will not enter them anymore. Just not happening. But I'm super excited about a couple of my friends that did enter, and they got images on here. And I'm sorry, I probably have no more people that did get their images put on, and I just don't know. But this one here is Jenny with Lashenny 21 nails. It was her submission, which her original submission was, I think, even better because it had like some other designs coming off of it. It was so cute. I wish they would have kept the other stuff on it, but they didn't. I do like it though. It is pretty. And I will put her channel and also Never Naked Nails. This is her submission, and it is adorable too. It's got hearts and vines. I really like it. I love all the designs on here. And I don't know, I think they just got a plate. I don't know what else they got. I will put their links to their channels though, showing off their images down below. I think it's really cool that they did this. So it's kind of a collaboration plate, but not really. But some of these images remind me so much of the Clear Jelly Stamper. I really like that too. And then it has wonderful, lovely, blessed, fighter, brave. I do like that. And then here is the other one, and it is MO90, and these are both available to purchase. And these are really cute. I almost didn't buy this plate, but I decided I was going to because I wanted to support everybody. And I wanted to say too, also, you know, any of you that have YouTube channels and they're nail art and they are, you know, or unboxing, you know, things to do with beauty that, I mean, I try to support everyone, all my friends, all you guys that watch. If you have a channel that is along those lines and you want to put your link down below in the comments for other people and say a little something, say, hey, I also have a nail art channel, here's my channel link. I am happy to support you guys. You absolutely can drop your links down below. If anybody else sees those and they want to go check you out, that's fine with me. But if it's spam, I'm going to delete it and I'm going to report you. Just saying. So these are really cute images too. A lot of geometrical. I have one almost exactly like this and this. I know I've got a couple like this. I mean, there's images on here that I have really similar. I do not have one like this though. I really, really like that herringbone. So there's that. And I'd really appreciate it if you would share this video. For sure, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Here is the polish that I have on my nails now. It is from a polish pickup. That link will be down below. Also, this Rise and Shine polish, I don't know if they still have this or not, but if you like it, you might want to check it out. Thanks, guys. Bye. These two, baby's taking a nap, and they've been fighting over a bone for like 20 minutes.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.